Open the trunk to gain access to the bulb assembly.
Remove the wingnut.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Pull back the trunk lining to gain access. Remove the wingnut. Remove the panel by prying it off. Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle. Slide the locking mechanism back, then push the tab down to pull out the connector from the bulb housing. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Connect the bulb housing and lock it in place by sliding the plastic lock forward.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Position the panel so that the tabs line up with their respective slots and press in. Replace the wingnut. Fold the trunk lining to its original position. Replace the wingnut.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.